Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mechagodzilla, but this is the Mechagodzilla from the Ready Player One movie, so it's a totally different style that I have not drawn before. But I hope you follow along and really enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mechagodzilla from Ready Player One, we're going to begin with the eye. We want to start up here, and it's just going to be a little oval shape like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And another one's going to go up, and it's going to make that same shape for the eyebrow. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And we're going to draw a line that goes over. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back up here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, we're going to go over, and we're going to go up and down again, and then we're going to connect it for the nose. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over. I'm going to bring it down. And we're going to bring it back up here. Next, we're going to go over, down, and then connect. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and that's going to come up. Then we're going to go up and then connect to here. Then we'll just bring it around here for the top of the head. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. And then I'm going to put some sharp teeth in here. I'll make another little line that comes up. And I'm going to add an oval with a little curved line in there. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down and another one here. Then we'll add a little line that's going to curve down and in, and another one here. Make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and then up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up. I'll make another line that's going to come up and then connect to here for the neck. Right here, we're going to add a little oval shape. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come around. Then we're just going to go up and to here. Now we're going to begin with the arm. Let's make a line that goes straight down. We're going to go up and then come into diagonal, or kind of straight across. I should say we'll go up at a diagonal, then come straight across. Next, we'll curve this line for the shoulder. We'll draw two lines that come down. We're going to make a curved line and a little square shape back here. And another curved line here. Next, we'll draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then back here. We'll make a little rectangle shape. Then we'll add more of like a square shape over here for the hand. We'll make a line that comes down, over, and up. A little line that goes over and up. Then we'll just follow the same pattern. I'll make a line that goes across. We'll kind of make this curve and connect it, and a little line that goes over and up. And we'll make a little line come down here. Starting here, we're going to go over, we're going to come down. Make a line that goes over. It's going to come in. And I'll make another one that goes down and in, and one more down and in. And we'll connect these lines in a little bit. Starting here, let's make a line that goes out to a point and comes back. We'll do another one here, and one more here. And we'll connect it in here. Up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come over. And we'll make another line that comes down. Make a line that goes over, down, and it's going to come back like a rectangle. Make a little square shape on the end. Then we're going to make a little kind of pointed line for a thumb. And then we're going to make some of those pointed claw shapes for the fingers. Make a line here to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make an oval shape for part of the leg with a little curved line. We'll make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And a little line is just going to curve up for the side. We'll make a line that comes down. And then we're going to come down like this. So we'll go over and we're going to come down. I want to make a claw shape here. Another one's going to go down here. We'll make one that comes down and up, and one that goes out and comes back. Then we'll make a little line that comes in here. Next over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and over. We'll add a little line that curves up. Do that same thing. We're going to draw a line that comes down and then angles down. We're going to go down and then angle down again. We'll make a claw shape here, one here. And then we're going to make a line that goes over, and it's going to come up and over. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and comes down. And then we're going to angle a line down that comes down for more of the leg. Starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and connect to here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up here. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to come back to the leg. Now we want to make some of the spikes on here. So these spikes are going to be a little bit different. They're going to be kind of like this. They go up, they're going to come over, and they're going to come to a point. So I'm just going to add these all along here. I'm going to make them get really pointy and big as they get towards the back. And once they get to about the leg here, then we're going to start making them smaller and smaller. And we're just going to put these all along the tail. We're going to make them nice and small until they get to the very edge. We'll also add a couple little small ones up here. I'm also going to put some kind of on the other side here. So I'm just going to make them a little bit shorter. And you can make some a little taller too. It's just for a little more detail. Kind of fill up all those spikes back there. Okay, so here's our basic shape of our Mechagodzilla from the movie Ready Player One. Now what we have to do is come in here and add all the details. I'm going to go a little bit faster through this because there are a lot of details on here and we won't get all of them. We're just going to get kind of some of the major ones. So starting on the head, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes across and a couple little lines that come down. Do one right there too. We'll add a little line here. We'll add just another little line over here. And we'll make a couple little lines that come down. And a couple more here. We'll make some lines that go across and up. Line that goes up and over. Make some little lines that come down. we'll kind of connect this shape right here. And I'm going to add another oval shape and a little curved line here. I'll make a little line that comes down. I'll make a line that goes down and over with a couple little lines here. Make another little line here. Next, make a line that goes over and up, and another one here. And I'll make a line down here, and a line here. Bring this line across, and I'll bring these, and we'll add a little line down. I'm going to add a couple little circle shapes here and another little square. I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and down. We'll continue this line. Make another line here, and a couple more little lines. And then we'll add some little lines onto the fingers. Make a little line that goes up and over. Little line here. Next up here, we're just going to add a couple little square shapes. And another line that goes up, over, and down with a couple lines coming up. Down here, we're going to make a line. And we're going to draw a little line that curves around with a line that comes up. And then we're going to put a couple little kind of like square shapes in here. Next, we'll make a line that comes up here. And we'll draw some lines that come across. And we'll add a couple more circle shapes up here. We'll add another little line that curves down here, some little lines that come across, and a couple more little square shapes. We'll draw two lines that come across here and some more lines that go across. We'll make some curved lines right here. And we'll make some lines that come across here. I'm going to add a few curved lines onto the feet here, just to make it look a little bit more robotic. Well, maybe a little line or two across. And a couple little kind of geometric square shapes. There are lots of details on this guy, so we're just going to keep things really simple. Down the tail, I want to add a nice line or two. Then we'll add a line that goes over, down, and we're just going to kind of make it very angled right along the tail. And then we'll just add a few little kind of square shapes onto some of the spikes. And over here on the arms, I'm going to add a couple of these little kind of long wires that are hanging down off the arms for a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mechagodzilla from the movie Ready Player One. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.